Hey guys, relationships get rocky sometimes, and one of the toughest things is feeling like your partner's just not there anymore. The spark seems dimmed, the butterfly's missing, and you're left wondering, can we reignite the love? Well, I'm here to tell you there's hope. Today we're diving into 10 tips to help you rekindle the flame and bring back the fire in your relationship. 1. Identify the root cause. Understand the underlying issues causing your partner's lack of interest. Is it a specific problem within the relationship, or are external factors at play? Identifying the source is crucial for developing an action plan. 2. Open communication. Initiate open and honest conversations with your partner. Discuss your feelings and articulate your expectations for the relationship. Active communication is essential for resolving issues and building understanding. 3. Personal growth. Focus on your personal development. Be flexible and willing to compromise if necessary. Boost self-esteem and confidence by engaging in activities that bring you happiness and fulfillment. 4. Quality time. Set aside dedicated time for each other. Plan date nights, vacations, or weekend getaways to express appreciation and affection. Quality time is vital when your partner seems to be losing interest. 5. Reignite passion. Bring back the passion in your relationship by showing physical affection. Small gestures like kisses, hugs, trying new things in the bedroom, and holding hands can make a significant difference in feeling connected. 6. Be open and respectful. Approach your partner with openness, honesty, and respect when discussing your feelings. Use I messages and actively listen to their responses. Avoid defensiveness and encourage your partner to share their experiences. 7. Show interest in your partner. Demonstrate genuine interest in your partner's personal life, work, and hobbies. Ask questions, listen actively, be supportive, and celebrate their achievements to convey your care and involvement. 8. Date your partner. Maintain a connection by going on regular dates. Building memories together and investing time in your relationship helps keep the spark alive. 9. Individual time. Spending time alone can contribute to personal growth and maintain interest in the relationship. It allows for self-discovery and adds an element of mystery. 10. Laugh together. Find ways to laugh with your partner. Sharing humorous moments or recalling funny memories can strengthen your bond and bring joy to the relationship. Reigniting love takes effort, but it's possible. Remember, these are just tips, and what works for one couple might not work for another. Be patient, be proactive, and most importantly, never give up on the love you share. Thanks for joining.